You can see my screen, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is see, actually, uh, there are three instances actually: test instance, development instance, and production instance. Okay. So see, when Oracle will give two instances. Okay, one is test instance and production instance. Okay, the test instance for testing and production instance for live. Okay, first before implementing, when you buy an Oracle product, Oracle will give you two instances, that is test instance and production instance. In case of SaaS, in case of SaaS, you will be given development instance also to develop. Okay, because you can do configuration as a separate platform. So development instance they will give. Okay, in SaaS they will give test instance and production instance. Okay, where you can do the development instance. See, I will tell you what is the test instance. In EBS we called it we call it as instance. In Oracle Fusion we called it as pod. POD. We called it as pod. Okay, so that is see now test instance is what, where we can where the consultant will do a testing, where he can do a setups. He can do a setup, and accordingly he also will test some data, and after that you will be user will be given for a testing. Then after that concurrence, after the concurrence of the user, it will be moved to production. Okay. Okay. Test instance, in the test instance, they will create a project also. Okay. There is a configuration process, conversion is there. Through that program only, configuration program, all the data, all the settings that has been done, it will be moved to production instance. Okay. If there is a development instance, they will do a development here. So from test instance, it will be moved to development instance. From development instance, it will be moved to production instance. Okay. Okay. We call it as a pod. In Fusion, we will call it as a pod. You know what is instance, as already ma'am say. Okay. So now see, when you get the client after getting that Oracle product, okay, the two instances will be given, that is called test instance and production instance. So in first in test instance there will be only one user ID. Okay, one user ID will be there, and you will be given user ID name with the name admin, with the user ID name, with user ID admin. Okay. Okay. And it's a fresh instance where you will have no data, nothing you will have. Okay. Okay. That is very important. You will have no data. It is a fresh instance because you are buying new. It is a fresh instance. Okay. 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 Is it clear? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Srikanth?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Neha ma'am?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear or not? நான் என்ன சொன்னேன்,
Yes, sir.
என்னன்னு சொன்னேன், டெஸ்ட் இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ், அதாவது நம்ம சிஸ்டம் இப்போ ஆரக்கிள் ஆரக்கிள் என்ன பண்ணுவான், கிளைண்ட் இப்போ ஆரக்கிள் இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னே ஆரக்கிள் இது பண்றோம், அவன் லைசன்ஸ் இது பண்ணிட்டு சப்ஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பண்ணி they will get a instances, no? ஓகே. அந்த அந்த இது வரும்போது என்னன்னா ரெண்டு இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் வரும், டெஸ்ட் இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ், ப்ரொடக்ஷன் இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஓகேவா? இன் கேஸ் ஆஃப் பாஸ், you will be given three instances. Okay. Because you are there a separate platform is there, so wherein you could do a configuration. Okay. So test instance, production instance, suppose in case of SaaS you are going for a two instances, you are getting two instances. So now you are going to test in the do a setups and all in the test instance. Okay. Then after that, all things, all implementation, like in all there will be all applications like financial, SCM, all related to this all testing with regard to all application, it will be done, and some testings also will be done. Life cycle order, P2P, OTC, all life cycles of SCM, finance, accounts payable, accounts receivable, all integration, whether it is happening or not, it will be tested. Then after that, it will be moved to production instance. Okay, through a, it will be moved to production instance. Production instance where live data, with the help of live data, you can do a business activities. Live business activities will be, business transaction will take place in the production, live business transaction. That is called go live. It is called go live. Go live means the date on which from test instance, the settings will get moved to production instance. From the day it is go live. It is called go live, where you can start using your day-to-day transaction in Oracle Fusion. Okay. Until then, you can't use this production instance. And in test instance, you will get even one user ID will be given, and you can create n number of even 100,000 user IDs also. 100 or 1,500 user IDs also create. But production instance is limited to 50. Okay. Production instance is limited to 50 for applicant. For every user, you have to get subscription. You have to pay subscription and get the license and all. License fee is there. So accordingly, if you want to increase the users, you can have to pay the license fee and get it. Okay, this is just a brief. In the next classes and all, in the subsequent classes, you will be given given a brief, detailed explanation about this. So don't confuse. It's only a general idea about this. Okay. So it is now it is a fresh instance. Okay. The two test instance is a fresh, wherein no data is there. Okay. Now in this case, we are getting trained. You are getting trained. Okay. So this is educational this thing. That is Vision Operation is a dummy company. So for training purpose, they have given this. Okay. Training purpose for this is. So lot of data will be there because people across the world or many users will be using that. So multi data data will be used. Users will be having multiple persons. They will do their projects, demo projects and all. So data will be there. But in case of suppose in a company where they are getting Oracle product, fresh instance will be there. Okay. Okay, now we are going to do a demo, practical only, demo practical. Okay, in order to understand how the transaction is take place, how user is getting created, the practical. Okay, see, today ma'am has taken theoretically, no, theoretical part she has taken first slide, second slide and all. The first slide what she has taken, I will show you in practical. That's all. Okay, Frida.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
sir.
It's clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, what I am going to show is the educational instance. Okay, educational instance
Yes, sir.
where you can learn. Okay, as a practical, through practicals.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, in the previous session, ma'am has taken theoretically. Okay. Now I will show you practical. How to create an user, how to assign the role. That part I will show you. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the link. Okay. This instance link. Okay. So I am going to that. Hello, you are able to see my screen, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the instance screen. Okay. It's clear? Hello, are you able to see? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Terida, it's clear. Sign in
Yes, sir.
Oracle application code, cloud. For sign in Oracle application code. Through this, through see, actually assume that you are getting a instance from the Oracle, and assume that you are a consultant, okay, functional consultant. Okay, so it's a assume that it's a fresh instance. Assume that it's a fresh instance, and I told you, no, in the fresh instance, one user ID will be there. Okay, Oracle will give one user ID. Already it will be there as admin. Similarly, here also there is one ID. With the help of user ID and password, hello, you can.
Yes, sir.
Instance means, see, in Fusion it is called pod, POD, pod. It is called pod. In EBS R12 it is called instance. Okay, I see you are signing this. We are signing into this by using user ID and password. You are signing. It's a fresh instance. Please remember, it is a fresh instance where you have no data. Assume that you are a consultant. Client is giving you a you are going for an implementation wherein client giving this to you to implement. It is a test instance. It is a fresh instance.
Okay, sir.
Where you are, where with the help of user ID of Oracle, you are entering into that product, Oracle application. So your Oracle Fusion, you are entering into Oracle Fusion. Okay. See, the user ID is chn.chn. Okay. See, now you have entered. This is Vision. Is a dummy company where previous session madam told, no. This is the instance. Okay. See, step by step, we will tell you each field, what is this, how it behaves, how it functions, and all. We will tell you. Okay. For the time being, just simply I will tell, very simple. The first slide which madam has given the theoretical part, that I will tell you. But taking you this, don't worry about this. This notification about this and all, we will explain you. Okay. As a practical section, we will explain you. Okay. Don't worry. We will give you all the things about this. Okay. Okay. Now, first remember what ma'am told, no? What ma'am told?
Creating
You have to
users.
create a user. Then what you have to do? You have to what?
Assign the response.
Very good. Assign the not. There is no word called responsibility. You have to tell what?
Like access.
No. What you have to do? Use the word role. Responsibility. No, you should not use the word responsibility. Responsibility in R12
Okay,
only.
sir.
But here you have to use what is called role. You have to use the
Okay,
word
sir.
role. Okay. So
Role.
first step, what you have to do? Ma'am told, no?
Create the user.
Very
Create
good.
the users.
Create the user. But by using this admin user and assumeனா என்ன தெரியும் நினைச்சுங்க. நீங்க ஒரு கம்பெனில இப்போ நீங்க ஃபங்க்ஷனல் கன்சல்டன்ட்டா இருக்கீங்க. அவங்க இந்த கிளையண்ட் அந்த இன்ஸ்டன்ஸை கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நீங்க செட்டப், யூ ஹேவ் டு டூ செட்டப், யூ ஹேவ் டு கிரியேட் யூசர், ஜிஎல் அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ், அப்புறம் அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ் பேபிள் கான்ஃபிகரேஷன்ஸ், அக்கௌண்ட் ரிசீவபிள் செட்டப், all you have to do. Okay, so you are starting first. You are going for a implementation. Okay, so first step, what you have to do? Using this what? Using this using user ID of
Create a user.
User ID of
Admin.
Oracle. You are
Admin.
creating user ID for what? For assigning the role of, for what
Users.
role? Two things madam told, no, very important. What is that? Okay. First I will show you. See here you have to go to, this is called navigator. This is called what?
Navigator.
Navigator. In that, see, lot of things is there, which we will explain you. Okay, we will explain you one by one. What is this and all? We will give you. For the time being, I will show you only the explanation for the explanation given by the ma'am in the first slide. In the previous session, she has shown, no, for that only I am showing. Okay, because other things, if I show, you will get confused. I don't want to confuse you. Very simple, I will show you. First step, navigator in the tools. There is a called security console. What it called?
Console.
Security console.
Security console.
Console. Okay. Oracle Identity Manager. Madam told, no? Hello.
Yes,
You
sir.
think
Yes, sir.
Oracle
Yes, sir.
Identity Manager. Oracle Identity Manager. Hello. Sneha ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Speak
sir.
on Oracle
Yes, sir.
Identity
Yes, sir.
Manager. In that
Yes,
Oracle
sir.
Identity Manager, that creation of here security
sir.
console. Here in that you click that security console. By clicking the security console, yeah, by clicking the security console, what is the path, what is the, how to navigate, how to, what is the navigation, what is the, tell me.
Navigator tools security console.
Security console for creating user. For
Roles.
creating user, the path is navigator tools
Navigator tools, security console.
security console. Okay. So now you are creating a user. Okay. Because why you are creating a user? Since it's a fresh instance, fresh pod, wherein no data is there. Assume like that. Okay. Where there is no data. It is a fresh instance. So now you are creating a user. Ma'am told, no, super user, like you are creating this user. User. Now in the user, see here, if I click roles, I will show you here. See, ma'am explained, no, job roles, duty roles, abstract roles, privileges. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but data roles is not there. Okay. See, job role, ma'am told, no, data role up to 11 release 11. From release 12 onwards, there is no concept called data role. Okay. So this is R13, release 13. Okay. Okay. In Oracle Fusion. Okay. So there is no concept called data role. Okay. Now, first you are clicking your okay user. Then what you have to do? You have to click add user. What you have to do? Add user.
Add user.
User. It's clear or not? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay. Now.
Yes, sir.
Now, other things I will tell you. For the time being, I won't be touching this associated person type and all. I won't be touching, because next in subsequent classes I will tell you. Okay. So I will tell you how to create a user and assign the role. That's all. Okay. Very important. That first two things. First slide, ma'am told, no. For that part only I will tell you. Okay. So account information. What is that account information? See whether this user you are going to create is active or locked. Okay, active or locked means, if it is locked means you can't use. This is active. So now it is in active, wherein you are going to create. Now user category default. Okay. See other things, ND category, other and all, I will explain you in detail in the subsequent classes. You don't worry. Okay. See, another thing, first name, see, wherever this star mark is not there, it is, that field is not mandatory, optional. In RBS, EBS R12 we seen, no? You remember?
Yes, sir.
If it is
But
a
mandatory.
yellow color in the field, if it is yellow means what?
Mandatory.
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 If it is white means what? Optional.
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 If it is gray means what?
Uneditable.
We cannot change.
Non-editable.
Non-editable.
Very good, very good. Like that. If it is, see here star mark. If it is not there, means it is not it is not what? It is not mandatory. Now this last name, it is mandatory. You have to enter. See, I am entering as name as Raman. Okay. I can give my mail also, mail ID, but it's optional. Because if I give mail ID, suppose if I, in case, if I forgot my mail ID, I can reset the password, forgot my password, I can reset. So that reset password link will be sent to my email ID. Okay, that and all we will text it later on. Okay, Raman, username. See, the name which I given is getting copied here. I can change the name also, no issue. Okay, so I will keep it as Raman, and I will create the password. See, here, see one thing. See this this icon is there, no? If you click this, some information about this field you can see. Some information about the field you can view. What is that field saying? Password
At least
policy.
8 characters and 1
At least
number.
8 characters.
Password policy.
1 number. So accordingly,
number.
you have to get the field. So I will be giving the password with the 8 characters, and that 8 characters should be inclusive of 1 number.
Include
Okay.
of 1 number.
Yeah. So that is very important. Okay.
Sir, either we can add more number of users or there is a limit, sir, of adding users.
Yeah. See, in the test instance, there is no limit. There is you can add even 500 users. But in production client, there is first initially 50 users will be given. Then later on, you have to for adding that you have to pay and get it. Okay, subscriptions are there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You
This is
understand what?
test instance, sir.
This is
test-
destination.
test-
Assume that this
Okay,
is a see. This is the education. Yeah, you don't confuse with this. See, in live scenario, when you go for an implant, you will be given two instances: test instance, production instance. In the test instance, what you will do a testing. Okay, there you will do setup and testing. Okay, you put some entries and do, and afterwards, what you will do? You will give it to the user to test it. No. You will not move to production unless and until user and the company top level executives all they have to give in writing that we have tested accordingly all the setups are okay, the process flow is correct, like that. Some documentation is there, accordingly that documentation they have to fill and it to be signed off by the company and the implementation company, that is whoever implementing. For example, Accenture suppose Srikanth is working in Accenture is deploying Srikanth for implementing. So Accenture company and Exenco of the company should both sign that document. They have to sign off the document, then only it will be moved to production. Until then it will not be moved to production. புரிஞ்சுதா?
Okay, sir.
நான் என்ன சொல்ல வரேன் ஸ்ரீகாந்த், நீங்க ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நீங்க அசென்ச்சர்ல ஒர்க் பண்றீங்க ஆரக்கல் இதுல. ஓகே, இப்போ நான் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு கம்பெனி, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நியூ கம்பெனி, ஒரு ஃபார்மா கம்பெனியோ சம்திங், ஒரு மெடிசன் கம்பெனி ஆரக்கல் இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்றான். என்ன அசென்ச்சர் இது பண்றான், they are approaching Accenture, sir, we need a kindly send you a consultant for implementation and training purpose. We want a implementation like that. So what they will do, they will buy the Accenture company. What they will do, they will give a list out how to purchase that product and all that things and all. Also they will guide them, and accordingly what they will do, they will deploy financial ஒன்று அனுப்புவாங்க. எந்த கம்பெனிக்கு? ஒரு எக்ஸன்கோ ஒரு கம்பெனின்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். அந்த கம்பெனிக்கு ஸ்ரீகாந்த் நீங்க போயிட்டு வாங்க, இப்போ ஒரு மந்த் நீங்க அங்க இருந்து அங்க ட்ரெயின் அப் பண்ணி என்ன செட்டப்ஸும் பண்ணணும், ட்ரைனிங்கும் கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு பண்ணுவாங்க. நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? அப்போ அந்த எக்ஸன்கோ என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, இதோ பாரு இந்த கிளைண்ட், இதோ இந்த சாரி இந்த இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் இருந்தாங்க இயர், he will hand over the instance to you. இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் அப்போ என்ன இருக்கும், 2 இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருவாங்க, டெஸ்ட் இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் அண்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ். டெஸ்ட் இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ்ல நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, வித் அட்மின் யூசர் ஐடியில நீங்க இப்போ இதை கிரியேட் பண்றீங்க, என்ன ஃப்ரெஷ் யூசரை ஒன்று கிரியேட் பண்றீங்க. ஓகேவா? அப்போ யூசரை கிரியேட் பண்ணும்போது இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு 200 பேர் இருக்காங்க வச்சுங்களேன் அந்த எக்ஸன்கோல. அப்போ அவங்க சில பேர் டெஸ்டிங் பண்ணணும்னு இருப்பாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு யூசர் 200 யூசரும் நீங்க கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம். வேற ப்ரொடக்ஷன்ல அப்படி பண்ண முடியாது. ப்ரொடக்ஷன்ல ஒரு 50 யூசர் அப்படி கொடுத்துருவான். லைசன்ஸ் இது பண்ணும்போது 50 யூசர் they will give. Then afterwards you have to pay subscription and again additional users you have to get. ஓகேவா? புரியுதா?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
இப்போ so I will be giving the password. Okay, same password I have to give, confirm password. Okay, okay va?
Yes, sir.
Now what I will do, I will press save and
Save.
close. So what it's showing? Error. Confirm password is not matching. So see, the password you have to
So it
give
should
correct.
be
Yeah. No. The password and confirm password is not matching. So correctly we have to give.
okay, sir.
Okay. Now I am saying, so Raman, user Raman created. I have created user
Yes,
Raman.
sir.
How to view this? How to view? I have created, no? How to view?
Yes.
Here you can use this, or here you can use the search RAM. By searching that, you use Raman, RAM, RAMAN, like that you type. So you search here. Here, see, here it is there. Okay. So now
Yes, sir.
user, first step, user created, super user created. Ma'am told no. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
are you
sir.
following? Are you following or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next step. What next step? What is the next step? Ma'am told no, 2 things. What is the thing?
We need to assign the roles.
2 things we have to do. Assigning the roles. Which are the roles we have to assign? Which are the roles? Ma'am told no very clearly. Which are the roles?
IT security manager, sir.
IT security.
Okay. Next.
User role, sir.
Huh?
User role.
User role. No, yeah. IT security manager role. Okay. Next. Another role is there. Very important. No. I told no. Ma'am also told.
Application implementation.
Very good. Very good. That's correct. So first super user, then accordingly what? You are assigning the roles. 2 roles, primary roles. Very important, yeah. Primary role. Okay. Now you click that, because you have to edit and you have to assign that role. Okay. You have to edit, and what you have to do? Add role.
Assign the role.
Assign the role. Here the concept called add role, not assign, add. Okay, it is equivalent to assign, but the word is add role. So you have to
Okay, sir.
click add. Okay, now what is that role? First step, application,
Implementation.
application implementation consultant. Application implementation consultant is there. Okay, that you have to choose. Here, see, I will tell you. See, this is a educational thing. No, Vision is a dummy thing where people have created like this. They have created n number of roles. Okay, job copy and all. You don't worry. Only you have to, because this is seeded. This role is seeded. This role is a copy created by these people demo they are doing. No, so what is that seeded? What is meant by seeded?
Already installed.
Already provided.
Already delivered by Oracle. What is meant by seeded? What is the term?
Already
Already.
delivered
By
by
seeded.
Oracle.
So when I use the term, ma'am will be using and I will be using the word seeded means you should not ask again, ma'am, what is called seeded, or you should not carry it out. Very clear? What is that? Seeded means what? Delivered by the
Already
delivered by the or inbuilt or delivered by the Oracle. Okay. So this is, you have to choose this always. And what you have to do? See, this is highlighted, no? Now you have to click add role membership. Okay. See here when you add here in between it is getting added, no? Okay. It is added. Now what you have to do? You have to close or done. You can either of this you can do. I will make it as done. So now one user role has been added. Now again, what are you doing? Again, what is another role?
add role.
Huh?
Click on add role. Add role.
Add role.
IT security.
IT security.
Security manager.
IT security manager. Good. IT security manager. That role you have to add.
Add role membership.
Okay. Now I am pressing that done. Okay. See, assignable. It is assigned. See, this user Raman has been assigned role, application implementation. This is called role. This is called role. So this is role code. What is role code? What is this? You tell me. Application implementation consultant role. What is that? What is the role of application implementation consultant? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Application implementation consultant. What is that? They will do setups. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But IT security manager, they will create user, assign roles. Okay. Okay. With the help of IT security manager. Okay, they will assign roles, create use. But for creating user what? Through security console. IT security manager will have a security console. Through security console, you have to create a user. Okay. Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
I am saving and closing. You understand what I'm now? Okay. So we have created a user. And what you have done? You have assigned primary roles you have assigned. What are all the roles? Application implementation consultant, IT security
manager.
Okay, very simple. I have given this. Now moving forward in next classes, I will, ma'am and me also, we will give a detailed thing. Okay, okay, don't worry.
Yes.
All the things we will explain you one by one. Provided you people have to give a feedback. What feedback you have to give? What feedback you have to, response you have to give. Response means what? Whatever we ask, in future classes you will be asked questions. To test your understanding, you have to reply. Okay. So for that,
Yes, sir.
extensive preparation at your end also is to be done. Okay. We will give you training and all. But from your side, we have to give a feedback. Feedback in form of response. Good response you have to give by preparing notes, and also what are all the trainings we have given. You have to go through every day. Okay, not going trainings today and tomorrow and that's all, keeping it not like that. Every day you have to go through this, then only you will remember. Suppose today you are going through, then tomorrow you are not, it will not be there. Okay. Okay, shall we close?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir.
I have given a brief thing, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think now they can relate it with that recorded.
With the first slide, which you have.
Yes, sir.
It's clear,
yes,
no? Srikanth, Sneha, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. It is clear, sir.
Okay, thank you all.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you,
you,
sir.
everyone. Yeah.
Thank you,
yeah.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Shankar, sir. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank
thank
you,
you, ma'am.
everyone. Yeah, thank you.